you guys, welcome to our vlog. We are at dinner. We're coming to one of our favorite pizza places. It's a local pizza place called Rocco's. Yeah, we've been here before, but after this we're gonna go someplace fun. Hi guys. How's it going? Are you hungry for pizza?
You wanna
Hi Bluey.
Want to show them our license plate that we're gonna have just for a little while?
Oh, yeah, they came from Washington, so.
Chicks.
So cute. I love it. And you got Ray Ray? All right, pizza's here. Just a plain New York style cheese pizza. I mean, that's my dream. Yeah, we're having a little bit of a hard time because it's not super clean in here. And Shad went out to the car to get Keaton's water because there was a lot of floaties in her water, and Shad even dumped it out like 3 or 4 times.
And there was like black things at the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Still is.
Yeah, and so now I'm scared to drink my drink. I don't think I can do it. Got a knife and a fork. We can cut up your pizza. We got garlic knots. Yeah, give it a try. Is it good? He called the pizza or marinara sauce ketchup. He likes it. Carson's getting a little bit braver in his food. Your turn. Did you get some?
No.
Sprinkle some more on there. Oh my. You like Parmesan cheese?
Can I help you?
Whoa.
Okay, so this is what we're doing. Driving on the strip. We are headed to the Venetian. There's free parking.
We're hoping it's still free parking.
Yeah.
Okay, we made it to the very rooftop parking of the Venetian. It is still free as of today, August 3rd. I saw a rumor online, August 15th of this year is when they're supposedly cutting out free parking. This is really one of the things we wanted to show you. We won't be able to show you tons right now. We'll show you more after the volcano, but look at this. This is the new MSG Sphere. So there's gonna be concerts in there. It's a whole thing. And I haven't seen it in person yet. I've seen it in person, but it was during the day and it wasn't changing pictures. So this is pretty cool. Okay, we made it outside of the Venetian. We're gonna walk across the street to the Mirage because I know you guys have probably all heard this already, but the Hard Rock has bought the Mirage. So probably in a year or less, the Mirage will be no more. They're gonna completely demolish the front of the Mirage, take out the Volcano, and put in a huge guitar. So this is probably the last time that we'll see the Volcano unless we come here with our family or something.
Face lets me know that you need me. There's a twinkle in your eye, saying you'll never leave.
You should go join them. Oh.
See what time it is?
It's starting. Excited? the last time we'll see it? Carson, were your eyes open? Or you were just closing one eye?
I think just one eye.
Okay. What'd you think, Keaton? Did you like it? Was it hot? Yeah. It's pretty short, huh? It's only like, what time is it? 4 minutes. 4 minutes long. I'm sure we might come back again if we have family come to town, right?
Yeah.
Before.
That's the first time I've ever seen it. Like.
Yeah, we've only like driven by and you've seen bits and pieces, or maybe walked by at the very end.
Right here would be a good place with the Mirage in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, did you like the lava? You did that? Yeah. Carson is just learning how to do escalators. Do you like these? Escalator? Okay, we're gonna do a big jump at the yellow. You ready? Okay. Big jump! Good job! Okay, we're back up here on top of the Venetian, watching the sphere, and then the moon is rising over here. I don't know if I can get a good picture, but it's huge and orange. Almost more amazing than the sphere because it's real. But the sphere is pretty darn cool too. You're such a stud. Oh, what is it now? Looks like that guy is coming towards us. Whoa. And he's gone. Wow. It's lava? Okay, we are stopping for a quick late night treat.
Milkshakes!
Did you hear Keaton? We are at Del Taco because they're delicious, but they actually have like real ice cream, like old-fashioned type milkshakes, and a mini is only $1.29, I think, or $1.39. What, Keaton?
And I ran out of water.
I know, we did not bring enough water with us walking up and down the strip, because I had my water and I dumped mine into hers.
I can't even hear anything.
Okay, we had milkshake catastrophe. I'm scared to look in the back seat. Somebody dropped Carson's milkshake on the ground and it split the cup open.
It got all over my leg.
So Keaton was trying to help. We didn't know it had split open. Now she's all sticky and messy. So Shad takes the cup. He downs the milkshake in 0.2 seconds. It's all over him.
Yeah.
And Carson has mine back there now. Oh, and their milkshake machine was broken. So we only got 3 milkshakes anyway. Then we were down, well, kind of 2, but you salvaged it.
Yeah, I took one for the team.
Oh, well, that was hard to do, huh?
Yeah, I got it all over me just to eat it.
But now I gave mine to Carson, and he's not even trying to drink it.
Yeah, you're gonna take it back.
Okay. Maybe he doesn't want it. Oh! What?
I can't get it.
You can't get it up?
No.
Okay, I'll help you. What's the damage like back here? Oh no, that is a lot.
Well, I just have to take the floor mat out and wash it.
Okay, you two kids. It's almost bedtime. It's way past your bedtime, actually. Say goodnight to our friends. Yeah?
Thanks for watching Logues Life. Me and Carson stayed up really late today.